New York-based artist Barry X. Ball adapts innovative technologies and traditional techniques to make carefully honed compositions in semi-precious stones, pushing the physical and conceptual boundaries of sculpture. The artist reinvents traditional sculptural formats and existing art historical landmarks, using state-of-the-art 3D scanning technology, computer-aided modeling software, and CNC milling machines, in combination with centuries-old craft techniques that require thousands of hours of detailed handwork. Barry X. Ball Remaking Sculpture is the artist's first U.S. museum survey and features a selection of works from the two main series that have occupied him over the past 3 decades, portraits and masterpieces. All of these works begin with a mechanical copy, a life cast of a friend's head, or a highly precise digital scan of an existing work by an ancient, Renaissance, Baroque, or modern master, such as Michelangelo or Medardo Rosso. Ball uses them as points of departure, his process prompting considerations of doubling, mirroring, and their potential metaphorical resonances. Interpretations shift with Ball's distortions, additions, and decisions about materials, finishes, and presentation, down to the pedestals and supports, which he also designs. Looking both to the past and to the future, Ball's works present new ways to make sculpture in the digital age, as well as meaningful engagement with art of the past.